In today's video, I'm cleaning out my refrigerator. I had a grocery pickup to do that afternoon, and it was a really good idea that I did this because it made things so much easier for me for when I did get the new groceries. Everything had its place and it was in order, and it just made everything so much smoother. I think I'm going to have to keep this in my weekly routine from here on out because it just made things so much easier for me. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're just coming across my channel, I hope you subscribe and stay along. I do motivation cleaning, DIYs, anything that pertains to motherhood. So, with that being said, let's just get started and clean this refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you notice in the next few clips, you'll notice the darkness. It started storming so bad outside, so all my sunshine had went away. My house is not well lit with lighting at all, so it just was not in my favor for this day. But I went ahead and continued to do the video and post it because it's just what I've got to work with right now. I am in the search of a ring light, and I should have that ordered sometime this week, so bear with me for about 2 weeks and I should have my lighting issue fixed.
feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive